Now that we have both virtual machine and container-based PostgreSQL instances running, let's create service binding to connect them to our application. We'll use a simple service binding YAML file like the one you see here. It's a namespace scoped file like the previous one. It has 3 fields: instance reference, service instance type, composition reference. So the instance reference basically refers to the Postgres instance that we created. Service instance type tells it that it's a PostgreSQL database, and the composition reference is basically the same thing that I explained last time. Now let's create the service binding. So I'm going to run kubectl create -f pm -service binding, and it has been created, so let's get it. So kubectl get service binding, and let's look at its output as well. So as we can see over here, the condition or the status says that the state is created. Now we can look at the credentials that Klutch provided to us via a secret. So we're gonna do kubectl get secret. And over here we can see that one of the secret was made 2 minutes ago, which is this sample Postgres service binding scripts. So let's get that. So kubectl get secret, and we're gonna copy the name like this, paste it here, and we're gonna look at the output as well. So as you can see that in the data we have the host's name, password, port, URI, and the username. We can use all of this data together to bind the database that we created to our applications. As you could see, after creating a service binding, Klutch takes over. It automatically generates secure credentials and makes them available within the developer's cluster as Kubernetes secrets. In the next video, we'll deploy a blog post application and watch it interact with our PostgreSQL database.